First things first, familiarize yourself with the key components of a sewing pattern. This includes the pattern envelope, which contains important information such as sizing, fabric requirements, and notions needed. Next, carefully study the pattern instructions. These step-by-step guides provide detailed information on how to lay out, cut, and sew your fabric pieces together to create the finished garment or project. Pay close attention to the pattern pieces included in the envelope. Each piece is labeled with a number or letter corresponding to the pattern layout diagram and cutting instructions provided in the pattern instructions. Take note of the markings on the pattern pieces, such as notches, grain lines, and placement lines. These markings are essential for aligning and assembling your fabric pieces accurately. When laying out your fabric, be sure to follow the layout diagram provided in the pattern instructions. Pay attention to grain line direction, pattern placement, and any fabric requirements specified in the pattern. In conclusion, learning how to read sewing patterns is a valuable skill that will empower you to tackle a wide range of sewing projects with confidence and precision. With practice and patience, you'll soon be bringing your sewing visions to life. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.